Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Design. I'm Dage and today we're gonna whiten some teeth. This is me trying to win the most charming smile of the 2-Minute Design team contest, and it seems that I should whiten my teeth a little bit before submitting the photo to myself. So let's do that. First of all, we need to create a selection around my teeth. Now there are a lot of methods to create that selection, but in this example, I will use the Quick Selection tool. Go ahead and watch my 2-minute video about this tool and you'll know exactly how to use it. Make sure the first or the second button is activated here in the options bar. Use the square bracket keys to change the size of the brush. Zoom in using Ctrl or Command plus. And then click and drag on the teeth to start creating the selection. You can hold down the Alt or Option key to subtract unwanted areas from the selection. Awesome. In the Layers panel, click this button to add an adjustment layer, and let's choose Selective Color. Have a look at the Properties panel, and make sure Absolute is activated. We want to make the yellow color inside the selection less yellow. So let's target the yellow color by choosing it from this drop-down menu. And let's make it less yellow by decreasing the yellow slider here all the way to 0. Look at that. Now I'm definitely gonna win this contest. This is before and after. Before and after. Of course, if you want to make them even whiter, you can add a levels adjustment layer. Hold down Alt or Option and drag the mask of the layer below over the mask of the levels. Hit yes to replace it. Now click to activate the thumbnail of the levels layer, and in the properties panel, try moving these 3 sliders to edit the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights. And we've just whitened my teeth in 2 minutes.